Randy and Corey level with your 2023 Sukhoi West demonstration team! Out in the distance, that big, beautiful, cloud-covered sky. Your first formation, bounce and barrel roll with Randy and Lee. Watch them roll right here. Rolling now. What a beautiful sight. As they pull into the vertical, straight up. Oh, that is beautiful. Performing the half human. Climbing to the vertical again. Launch for the Humpty at the top as they run out of airspeed. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I've got a red airplane to the right, a blue airplane to the left on their first opposing hit. On a beautiful sight. Here we go. Watch them run out of airspeed. Both of them performing hammerheads. Watch as they fly down to the show line. Set up for another opposing hit. Right here. Oh yeah, baby. We're in the Airshow business. Oh, what a great day in San Carlos. Look at Sydney with those rolls. Watch Howler out to the right. Would you like to see another one of those opposing hits? Oh yeah, now keep an eye on those aircraft. Oh, inverted! Are you kidding me? Here they are, heading back towards Show Center. The airframe failed right at 23.5 G's. Oh, there they go. In a regular atmosphere, the aircraft is capable of 12 plus positive and negative G's. Folks, I'm not sure that you know, but Randy and one of our pilots from the Patriots jet team, using two of our L-39s called the Cinejet, did all the air-to-air cinematography for Top Gun 2. Also, we flew and helped with Mission Impossible 8 and the movie Devotion. Now watch this loop. Now if you notice, they've transitioned. Zippy, Corey is in lead, Howler is on the wing. Oh, what a beautiful roll. Boy, they're having a great time. And these Ukrainian Sukhois, we like to call them the Ukrainian freedom fighters. Folks, can we hear some noise for these boys? Now keep an eye on them. They'll fly outbound. Sydney's making a left turn, coming back into that aerobatic box. Now watch Sydney roll inverted. This is canopy to canopy, Top Gun style. What would Maverick and Goose think if they saw this today? Oh yeah, what a great sight. Watch as Sydney rolls back upright. They'll pull to the vertical again into half Cubans. Randy's making sure he's got clearance and a tally on Sydney. Now, watch as they are in chase. Sydney will pull it. Watch as they fly to show left. Gonna show the high G maneuverability right there when they pull to the vertical. Yeah. Watch Cindy as she performs what we call the slow roll. There it is. Howler will follow in from behind. Now on the right, we call this maneuver the shark's tooth. Keep an eye on him as he starts flying down towards show center. We're going to watch that blue aircraft do a 4-point roll, but watch Howler in trail. He's going to do an 8-point roll. What a beautiful sight, folks. Wow, so what did you think? Yeah, that concludes that demonstration. We really appreciate you getting your kids off the couch and off the iPads and out here to the Hiller Aviation Museum celebrating 25 years. That's right. Thank you so much. My name is Michael Smurf Tempe, and I'm out.
Thank you, Michael. And a big round of applause for he and our pilots, Howler and Zippy. And remember, folks, to check out the Aviation Center in Byron as well, the Patriots Jet team. Coming up next is a very familiar figure here in the Bay Area and in the world of aerobatics, Vicki Benzing. She was born and raised in California, an accomplished pilot, skydiver, aerobatic performer, and even air racer with over 9,500 hours of flight time and over 1,300 parachute jumps. She has a passion for everything airborne. Her flying career has spanned over 40 years. She currently holds an airline transport pilot rating, as well as commercial rating in helicopters,